In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted YouTube channel. If you're a creator on YouTube here, you need to know this kind of information because you never know what tomorrow brings. You never know in the future, your channel may be deleted, accidentally deleted, or anything happen in YouTube channel, and you'll need this kind of information to recover YouTube channel. Just like what happened to one of my subscribers here. Her channel got deleted and I was able to help her recover her YouTube channel. So I realized and agreed that this kind of information need to be known by every YouTuber out there. In case something like this happens to you, how could you recover YouTube channel? That's why I decided to record this video to share with you exactly how I recovered one of my students' accounts or one of my students' channel that was deleted. And without wasting any time, let me show you how I did it. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is to go to your browser. If you're using your smartphone, just go to your browser. You cannot use your YouTube mobile app or your YouTube Studio mobile app. You need a browser, either Chrome or Safari. Now, once you open your browser, you search for my account or google.com/accounts, and you're gonna see this website right here. So you click at the website, okay? And once you click at the website, the channels linked to your email are going to show up. As you see, there are two channels linked to this email. And the first channel here, this is the channel I recovered, the channel that had got deleted. So what I'm going to do is to illustrate using this same channel. I'm going to delete this channel again and show you how to recover it. So what I'll do is to click right here and then I'll delete account, okay? So I'll click at delete account right here and this will show next. They'll ask for verification, so I'll need to verify. And now, after verifying, this will show next. So you can read through, but with me, I'll just scroll through and then I'll have to check these two boxes right here. And what I'll do next is to delete the account, okay? So let's wait for it to delete. And now we are back here. What I'll do is to refresh this page right here and you're gonna see that my account is now deleted. It's remaining one account. The other account, it is deleted. All right, let me do the same thing and delete this one as well. I'll do the same thing. Click at the channel, come at delete right here. And after clicking delete, I'll come on this page right here. And then I'll need to check these two boxes right here. And what I'll do next is to delete account as I did on the first account. And now after that, I'll refresh the page. And after refreshing the page, you're gonna see that there is no account right here. All the accounts are deleted. And now this is how to recover the account. Let's begin it afresh. Let's say your account is deleted accidentally and you want to recover it. What you're going to do is to open your browser, and once you open your browser, you search for my account.google.com/brand accounts, and once you click on that, you're gonna see this website right here. You click on the website, and once you click on the website, you're gonna come at this page right here. Now this is what you're going to do to recover your account. You just click at the third option, deleted accounts, and once you click on the option, you're gonna see the deleted accounts or the account that was deleted. So if your channel was accidentally deleted, you're gonna find it right here. As you see, these are the channels that are deleted on the first step. So what you're gonna do to recover the channel is very simple. You just click on the sign here, the sign beside that particular channel that you want to recover. And once you click on the sign, what's going to show next? It is recovering. And after clicking on that sign, you're gonna be brought back here. And once you get back here, what you're gonna do next is to refresh the page once again. And once you refresh the page, you're gonna find out that that channel is recovered, okay? The first channel is recovered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Check out this video if you're still struggling with getting views on YouTube. If you upload videos on YouTube but your videos don't cross 1,000 views, if you upload videos on YouTube but your videos get stuck at a certain number of views, check out this video, because in this video I share a fix to that kind of problems. If you apply on your channel exactly what I shared in this video, you will see a very big difference and you come back and testify just like some creators are doing. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.